Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on Messenger app, you click on settings. In the first page, you can click on apps and you will click on Messenger app. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.